Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to learn all Photoshop shortcut key right here in Photoshop software in a few minutes. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do in your Photoshop right here, what you want to do is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on Edit tab. Then come down below right here and then navigate to Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on that. And this window here is going to pop up right here. Everything has been arranged step by step in different sections, such as file section, edit section, image section, and layers. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to learn shortcut key for 5 sections. What you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to File, click on here, and you see every shortcut key about 5 sections. Create a new document, press Ctrl N, open a file, press Ctrl plus O, browse in Brave, press Alt plus Ctrl plus O. So you can scroll down and read detail about the file section, saving, export, etc. You can see everything right here. So this is for file section. You can memorize as many as possible shortcut key right here under the file section. So let's close the gap. Let's say for editing section. So go ahead and click on edit section. You have all things you need to learn about edit section, such as undo, redo, toggle last state, fade, cut, copy, and etc. You learn a lot right here as far as different Photoshop shortcut key is concerned. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.